Good morning students. Today you are going to learn about the word problems in chapter 4 in life mathematics. Okay, see the first one. The heading is compound interest. The first one, find the CI, that is compound interest on rupees 3200 at 2.5 percentage per annum, that is per year. Okay. So find the CI compound interest on rupees 3200 at 2.5 percentage per annum for 2 years. That is compounded annually. So you have to find out annually. Okay, first what is given, you have to write the step principal amount CI on. So that is principal equal to the what is given, rupees 3200. Okay. So now the rate of interest are equal to 2.5 percentage per annum. So number of years n, that is 2. So you have to by using the formula, it's an amount formula for finding amount A equal to 1 plus r by 100 the whole power n. The formula is 1 plus r by 100 the whole power n. So apply the value here. 1 plus for r 2.5 by 100 the whole power n is here 2 years. Okay. Now here the 2.5 divided by 100, that is you can take convert divided by 2.5 divided by 100 means that is the point is move back 2 digit. Okay, that is 0.25 the whole square. Now what is given, that principal amount rupees 3200, rate of interest 2.5 percentage. So a number of years, that is 2 years, that is given in the sum. So first you have to find out the amount A. Formula is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. P means that is principal amount, or rate of interest, n the power in that power n having. So n is the number of years. So you have to apply the value of P, R and n. So value 3200 into 1 plus 2.5 by 100 the whole power 2. So you can apply the value of principal amount 3200 into 1 plus or 2.5 by 100 the whole square. So 2.5 by 100 you can divide, that is 0.025 the whole square. So you have to add this one plus 0.025. So you'll get 1.025 the whole square. You have to multiply this number 2 times, then find out the answer. Again you can multiply this 3200. You have to multiply this 2 number, you will get 3362. So this is the amount rupees. So you will find out the CI. CI means amount minus principal. For CI formula is A minus P, that is amount minus principal. Amount already you know that, you can find out 3362 minus what is the principal amount here given, 3200. You have to subtract the amount value minus principal value, then you will get 162. This is the CI amount, compound interest equal to rupees 162. Is it clear? Already the amount, principal value, rate of interest, number of years, everything is there. You have to apply the value in the formula. First you have to find out the amount A. Finally you have to find out the CI. CI equal to A minus P, amount minus principal amount. So you have to subtract this 2 number. Okay. See the second sum. A principal becomes 2028. The principal amount rupees 2028, that is given in 2 years at percentage 4 percentage per annum compound interest. Okay. You have to find the principal. Okay. So number of years is 2 year, then rate of interest 4 percentage. Okay. So then amount, that is amount is So amount is given, that is consider amount rupees 2028. So by using the formula, then A equal to P into, by using the formula, A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. Already the value amount is given 2028 equal to P. You want to find out this principal amount. 1 plus R is what? 4 by 100 the whole power number of year, that is 2. So 2028 equal to P into, here you can take the LCM of this one, 100 plus 4, 104 divided by 100 the whole square. Here you can do the cancel here. So otherwise you keep as it is and then do the cancelling. Therefore you want the principal amount P equal to 2028 into, this is 104 by 100 the whole square, so 2 times 100 into 100 divided by 104 multiply by 104. So now you can do the cancel. So after the cancelling you will get the rupees 1805. The final answer is rupees 1875. This is the principal amount. Okay, so the principal, what is given, again I am telling, that is principal becomes, means that is a amount, you can consider as a amount rupees 2028. Then in 2 years at 4% per annum compound interest, you have to find out the principal. Okay, so first you have to write n equal to 2 year, or equal to 4%. Amount is, that is considered as amount rupees 2028. So by using the formula, so you can apply the value of A 2028 and then R and N. Okay, so you have to find out the value of P. So you can transfer the P in left hand side. You can convert, you transfer all the numbers to the right hand side. So here power 2 means you have to write 2 times. After cancelling you will get the final value, that is principal value is rupees 1875. Is it clear?